In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a URL link for a PDF from DocFly. We'll walk through taking a PDF you're editing in DocFly and turning it into a shareable web link using Google Drive. This matters because DocFly is a PDF editor, not a hosting service, so it doesn't provide public URLs on its own. Start by opening your browser and going to docfly.com. On the home page, click Sign In at the top. When the Sign In options appear, choose Sign In with Google. Select the Google account you want to use and complete the prompt so DocFly can send your file to Drive. If you have more than one Google account, pick the one where you want the PDF to live. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your DocFly dashboard. Click the PDF you want to share to open it in the editor. Take a moment to make any final adjustments, things like text edits, annotations, or rearranging pages. When you're finished, click Save to lock in those changes. Saving here ensures the version you export is exactly what you see on screen. Next, choose Export. In the export options, select Save to Google Drive. You may be asked to confirm permissions the first time. That's normal. Choose a folder in Drive if prompted and confirm the export. Give it a few seconds to process. Larger files can take a bit longer. When you see a success message, your PDF is now in Google Drive. To get the actual link, open drive.google.com and find the exported PDF. Right-click the file and choose Get Link. For a link that anyone can open, change the access setting to anyone with the link and leave the role as viewer. Then click Copy Link. That URL is the shareable link you can paste into emails, chats, or web pages. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the Save to Google Drive option, you can export the PDF to your computer and then manually upload it to Drive or another file host like Dropbox. Those services will generate a shareable link just the same. If the document is sensitive, keep the access restricted and share it only with specific people instead of using a public link. And always test the link in a private or incognito window to make sure it opens for others. That's it, your DocFly PDF now has a clean shareable URL via Google Drive. Thanks for watching.